Hi y'all, Rene here. I have another unboxing. It was like Christmas the last few days. This is the Craft with Heart scrapbooking subscription service. This is the 4-month kit for this quarter, so that would be September through December. And the box is so big, I can't even hardly fit it. There you go. I can put it sideways and you can see how big it is. It's a huge box. So we will go ahead and open this up and see what we have. What's always exciting about these is that you will get a peek into the color families for the, let's see, what would it be, November, December catalog. So that's always fun to kind of see just a little peek. It's not usually the same exact paper, but it is a peek into what it might be like. So what you get is your cut above layout kits. You'll get September, October, November, and December. You'll also, if you order a 1-year subscription, you also get 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints. So this only comes if you have a 1-year subscription. You can also buy this by the month, or you can buy it by the quarter. If you buy it by the year, it's free shipping. If you buy it by the month or the quarter, there's other shipping charges that are on top of the price, plus you don't get the free prints. So if this is something you like, if you love these cut above layout kits, which I do because they're just so fast and easy and they look so beautiful, you're probably better off getting the whole year because you save yourself quite a bit of money in shipping. And you'll also get a little card. I love these cards. I'm keeping mine, like I said in a previous video, I'm probably going to put them into a junk journal because I think they're really fun and you can build some stuff around them. So you get that. And then I'm just going to do I'm going to make this quick because I am going to come back and put each one of these together with you and show you how fast and easy they are to put together. But I did want to show you the artwork to show you what the layouts look like. So this is September. So each one of the kits does two 2-page layouts, so 4 pages total. Hopefully I'm in frame because I'm covering up my iPad. So that is really cute. I love this one for school. That is really neat. This one too can go along with the school theme, or you could change it up a little bit. This is I really like these layouts. These are really pretty. So that's September, and you get all the papers that you need, all the die cuts you need, all the stickers, the photo placeholders, and you even get the page protectors that you need for all of the layouts. That's September. We'll take a quick look at October. And I like the colors, I can tell you that. So there's the first 2-page layout. Let you have a look at that. And then that's the second 2-page layout. Let me pull that down a little bit. Really like these colors. These are really fun. Fun. So that is October. So September and October, you can already see the paper lines in our catalog on my online store. So you can tell that these were from that catalog, those colorways, that sort of thing. But we have not, even the consultants yet, we have not seen the paper lines for November, December. So this is going to be kind of a peek for us as well. And it looks like there's a lot of plaids. Love the plaids. So cute. I love these. I think this right here, I love that page with all those tags. Just love those. I hope they're the kind you pull out, but I bet they're not. I love those interactive pieces. Although, truthfully, they're so hard to do once you've got them in the page protectors, but I think it's just the idea of them. So this was November. And then December. Oh, I can't wait to see this. This already looks fun. It looks like vintage. Oh yes. Look at that. Oh, I gotta show you that. Look. Oh, loving this. Can't wait to see the catalog for November, December. So we've got that one, Love and Joy, so cute. And then look at this one. Oh my goodness, love this. Look at the paper with the music. Ooh, I hope that's a paper we're gonna carry. Oh my, so cute. So there's December. So those are all 4 that you get in this quarter's Craft with Heart subscription service. If you have any questions about the subscription service, just go ahead and leave those down below for me. I'll be happy to get back to you. I'll also have a link to my online store down below. Just click on the online store and then just click on subscriptions right at the top of my page, and you'll get all the information, all the different options you have, and best ways to really maximize your money, because I know that money doesn't grow on trees, but this kind of a subscription service I think would really help you be able to do some crafting on a pretty good budget, and really will give your mental state a little bit of a break by doing something creative. Being creative is really a great stress reliever. So if you think you can't scrapbook, you can do these. Believe me, they are so simple. Everything is pretty much done for you. All you got to do is have some adhesive, stick things down, and follow instructions. It's really easy. And I'm also going to do videos for you every month that show you how to put them together. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, if you have questions, leave those for me down below. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.